Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Lancome La Vie Est Belle L'Eau de Parfum spray. I believe this is the 1.7 ounce bottle. It's enough to make like an L with my hand. You can see I have used pretty much most of it because it smells so good. So like I said, this is eau de parfum. The difference between an eau de toilette and an eau de parfum is that volume of perfume oil. Eau de toilette contains 5 to 9%, and eau de parfum contains usually 8 to 14%. Eau de parfums therefore last longer and the smell is more intense. It's got a cute little bottle, a little ribbon on it. It's very nice. It was launched by the design house of Lancome in 2012. It's a fruity fragrance with a blend of black currant, praline, tonka bean, vanilla, and patchouli notes. It's recommended for casual wear, so daytime when I usually wear this. Not necessarily a nighttime smell. Yeah, I would. It's really worth checking out. I kept encountering my friend Anne, and every time I would see her, she smelled so damn good that I just could not handle it. And I would always ask, "What are you wearing?" And she would say, "La Vie Est Belle" by Lancome. And so I did it. I took the plunge. I bought my own. And look at where that's got me, down to just a couple spritzes. I absolutely love this product. I didn't buy it with any other La Vie Est Belle products. I know they have moisturizer, skin moisturizer. I would like to get one that I can carry in my purse, a roller ball. But those are kind of expensive as well. Sometimes almost as expensive as buying the perfume itself, full size. So yeah, this is the 1.7 ounce, and like I said, I just loved it on my friend and just couldn't get enough of it, so I had to get it for myself. Most women agree with me that the scent is long lasting. It's sweet. It's get lots of compliments. It's not overpowering. It's just a nice daytime fragrance. And if you want to smell just as beautiful as Julia, I can't even remember her name, Julia Roberts. She's the one who does the campaigns for this perfume. Check this out. Yeah, you could start with a sample or just go in head first. My tip for trying a perfume that you don't know if it'll work with your chemistry is to get 7 of those paper sticks, spray them heavily at the store with the perfume that you're considering buying, and then rub it on take 1 stick a day and rub it on your wrists to see how it goes with the chemistry of your body, how it goes with the chemistry of your sweat, the heat. And what you want to do is, when you're mashing that in there, you want to tap your wrists together. Tap, tap, tap. You never want to rub, because rubbing can bruise the scent. I know too much about perfume. I love perfume. I like to take good care of it. I don't want to see it wasted. But, you know, when I spray this on, I spray it on my neck, my wrists, I tap, 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 tap on my neck again, and put a couple sprays in the hair. That usually does it. So you don't have to take my word for it. You can try it yourself. The La Vie Est Belle Lancome perfume, 1.7 ounces. It also comes in a much larger size of a 3.4 ounce, which is what I think I need to upgrade to now. So I might go do that now. So yeah, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.